Alright, so y'all bear with me, right? Never mind my voice, y'all. Cancer have like taken the best of me and taken over my vocal cords. And this is me reaching out for help for the millionth time, y'all. So I just got off the phone with Medicaid because I'm appealing my denial because they my case manager that was stopping my staff for all year Medicaid, she told me I'm not eligible for Medicaid. So I can't see a rheumatologist again for my braces that they're making for me. And I can't see my physician. So I also reached out to my physician yesterday or the day before yesterday and asked her could she reach out to somebody. So confirmation. I'm really having a hard time. I'm overworking myself.
Y'all,
and I'm really just doing this for my girls, right? For my grandbaby as well. I don't know if I'm coming or going. I'm severely weak. So this is not me clout chasing. This is not me.
Now, this is not her clout chasing. Reminder, this is the one that is supposed to have been allegedly the stud daddy you guys been calling of Peach. She did this whole part 1, part 2, acting like she was supposed to have been the girl that Peach used to mess with. Now she's saying this is the reason why she's trying to go viral, and she's saying that allegedly that she had cancer, and now she's acting like her voice is gone. I'm confused. Is this lady playing games or what? If she's not playing, prayers to her. But at the end of the day, it's like, what are you doing right now?
This is me holding back tears. This is me scared. This is me feeling unheard. This is me wanting to live. I had abandoned my health for so long because I did not want to. I didn't want to dawn on the fact that I have cancer.
I pray to God this is not a joke or some type of trolling video. I said vehicle because, girl, you got all this noise, vehicles going around in the background, people tapping on the window, whatever the hell going on. But I pray to God this is not a trolling video, because this ain't cool. This not cool. I really, really still feel deep down inside that this may be one of Peach's alleged students. This may be one of her assignments. But girl, I promise you, if you playing around with God and you playing around with your health like this, you still won't get your viral moment. You still will not get where you want to be on TikTok. I hope this woman is not teaching this in her class. This is sick. If she's lying about having cancer.
A lot of people saw when I had my era of talking about lupus. I was told that lupus, you can't, hair dye from it. So when I got the second opinion that says that arthritis is mimicking the symptoms that I don't have lupus, I started to say to myself, is it that bad? So in 2010, when I gave birth to my last daughter, I was told that in 15 years, it would have progress.
I really can't take this person serious right now, because if this is true, And at a point in time, you had lupus, and now you're saying you have cancer. When, where, and why would you try to come out here with this whole storyline to try to go viral as if you and Peach was allegedly together and had a plan together like you knew this woman? Girl, you playing a dangerous game. And I know Peach ain't the brightest crayon in the box, but playing with somebody else's name like this, you better found yourself in some legal trouble.
My daughter is 15 now, and I'm feeling the effects. I try to keep busy, but all it does is leave me with no life because I'm sleep. I just woke up. Every mind is scratches. Something is biting me. And it's not biting nobody else but me because I have this odor, like, it smells like DEATH. When I wake up, my pores smell bad. I'm falling out when I'm out here doing orders now. I probably need to rest more, but I can't. There's no resources for people like me that look well, but feel horrible. People make fun of me. They call me lazy. They call me all type of names, but they don't know how strong I am. People tell me to go get a job, but I'm doing what I can do. Doing deliveries allow me to log on and log off when I'm lightheaded, when I'm dizzy, when my legs give out. Secluding myself to a regular pre-market job, I can't do that. So, as you can see, I got more bags than Walmart, and I'm naturally sarcastic, so when I'm frustrated, so don't judge me. My teeth are falling out because I have a gum disease from the cancer. I know that most people don't care about this. They don't want to hear about it, but I start to get emotional when I see people embrace people who have cancer that pass away. But I'm here living through it, and I don't really get help. I have my mom, and my mom only my father passed away, and my mom needs.
We're not going to skip over the fact that her voice just got deep and normal, and now she's back speaking weak. Okay.
You guys are also on the spectrum. I started to embrace it online to people who knew I was weird.
Sound like, again, her voice sounding normal.
Or different. So that they won't think that I'm on DRUGS when I've never done it in my life. Matter of fact, I have not smoked weed in months, y'all, because I'm trying to prove a point that I don't need it and I have control over it, but it helps me, y'all. So, this is me reaching out for help. If you guys have any resources, any numbers that I could call, or just, like I said, I call Medicaid to see if they can continue with my...
The resources and the numbers that I have, she probably should get in touch with Peach, and they both should go and talk to somebody, because not being funny, but with the different stories that she's telling at different times and how she's all over the place, it sounds like maybe you and this lady named Peach both have a mental issue, problem, that you need to go and get some help. Go speak with someone. Go get checked out. Go sit on somebody's couch.
Appeal without me there because I have no energy. When I say no energy, plus I have another court
court case over a refrigerator. She's reporting people. She had lupus, allegedly. She was the stud daddy. Her and Peach was on a diss song together, allegedly. That's her music. They planned having kids, allegedly. Now she have cancer, allegedly. Yeah, she need that white jacket too.
I'm asking for help for my girls because I may not make it to see tomorrow. I may not make it to see next week, but I want to have help for them if that does happen. Because I don't know what's wrong with my body right now, y'all. It's scaring me. And for the first time in 38 years, I am terrified with how my body is responding to me just working. I used to have 2 and 3 jobs at a time. I used to do hair long hours. People that know me don't stare at my teeth. It's not something that I'm self-conscious of. I can't get my teeth fixed.
Is it me or do it look like she got teeth in her mouth? I know I see teeth in her mouth.
I was getting it fixed at one point, but I can't finish it. They said they have to shave down my gums, and I ran. When I'm ready to fix it now, y'all, my fingernails, y'all, it looks dirty, but it's not. It's like black everywhere. Everything is falling apart. And I'm begging for rest. I'm begging for relief, for peace, for good health, and for love. I just hurt every day I come from work, working out just 2 to 3 hours. Or I used to be working 12-hour shifts. Now
Where is your family at? Y'all, stop using social media. Stop uploading videos. Stop coming on here wanting people to help you and to save you. You can get faster help by going to your family. And if your family won't help you, go to your nearest hospital. Let them know you need help. Let them know you're hearing voices. Let them know you're seeing things. Tell them all of these different stories. Tell them you want help. They will help you. Y'all, I'm going to let this finish playing out. Y'all drop down in my comments. Let me know what y'all think, what y'all got to say. I can't believe this right now.
I can barely do 2 without passing out. So if you seeing this right now, it was meant for you to see it. And I'm not forcing nobody to do nothing they don't want to do, but there's some people that want to help me. So this is for you. Okay, so